I'm here at the Heritage Harvest Festival at Thomas Jefferson's Monticello in Charlottesville, Virginia, and I'm taking you along with me. Alright, so we just got here a little bit ago, and I'm really excited. This is the first time we've ever come to the Heritage Harvest Festival, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. You can see behind us all the things going on. Lots of tents. They've got like tastings, and they have speakers and demos and all kinds of stuff, and of course Jason is here too.
So much stuff.
And you know, there's Monticello behind us. I don't know how well you can see that.
I think you need to aim upwards.
Upwards, downwards,
Yeah.
upwards, downwards.
Yeah.
There we go. So we're just gonna go around. I don't really know too much what to expect. I mean, obviously I've seen some of the stuff, you know, that they're gonna have, and we've walked a little bit, but we're just gonna kind of see what happens. But behind us is a tasting tent, so that sounds like a place I definitely want to be. Eating is something that I am here for. And yeah, we'll just see what we find today at the Heritage Harvest Festival. Alright, so funny faces aside, we're going to try a couple of things from the cricket products. People, I don't think I've ever had anything with crickets in it. Have you? It's always something I wanted to try.
It is?
Yeah, it is. Because
Why
I don't
is
know,
that
it's kind of a fun new thing. Okay, so we have a crouton. I don't know how the croutons, you want to try the same thing together?
I was hoping it was chocolate at first.
This is a crouton. I don't know how the crickets are incorporated, but here we go. Yeah, tastes like a crouton.
Tastes like a cricket.
Tastes like a cricket.
Oh.
Alright, next one is peanut butter and jelly. I don't, it's like a bar, I guess.
Alright.
It's
Not
fine.
just like a crouton.
Yeah. It doesn't have the strongest flavor. Obviously, they don't taste like crickets. Just like they grind the cricket powder up and mix it in there, so it's kind of unobtrusive. But it's fun.
You can straight up buy the powder over there, too.
Oh, really? And just mix it in things?
Big old bag of cricket powder.
Get your cricket powder here, folks. This is really nice because a lot of times when you're looking in the seed catalog, you're reading descriptions of what things taste like, you're not really sure, but at least here today we're able to try a few different varieties of a few different ones. And we have an idea now, maybe some that we maybe would want to grow in the future. We got croissants, it's happening.
I got chocolate almond.
I got almond. You have to tell me what you think. Yeah. I think that about does it for us today at the Heritage Harvest Festival. Everyone's closing up shop and it's shutting down, but I would say we were definitely in our element today, or at least I was in my element.
Well, especially during the tomato presentation. Sarah was like just sitting there like engaged, like, oh, we have this problem with tomatoes, and just like, I know. It's like, can't be any more into tomatoes.
I'm the tomato queen, what can I say? But with that said, I would definitely recommend if you are in the area and you're into this sort of thing to come next year, because it's a lot of fun. And we really enjoyed it, and I'm really glad that we came. So with that said, that's it for this look at the Heritage Harvest Festival. I hope you're having a great day, and if you happen to be new here and you want more healthy eating tips and nutrition info and videos like this one, then make sure that you subscribe, because eating healthy and living a healthy lifestyle really doesn't have to be complicated, and I want to show you how to do it. And if you want to watch some more videos, I have a couple linked over here that you might like. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.